How to use effects and messages on your iPhone. If you want to find out how to do it, this video is right for you as we're going to show you some easy tips and tricks on how you can do it. Firstly, go on your messages. Now type any kind of text that you want to send and tap on the option called arrow button, which is on the right side corner of your screen. Long press on the arrow button. Now tap on the first option, which is called slam, and tap on the screen option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, it will now show such option. You also have an option of changing your effect by sliding it side by side. Here you can easily choose however you want and play it with little to see which effect that you liked the most. Once you find your desired option or effect, leave at ease and tap on the arrow button. Once you do it, it will automatically now send your effect. As you can see, I sent balloons. In this way, you can easily use effects in messages on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.